Hello guys, so today we'll be talking about coin flash. A very quick disclaimer: this video is solely for educational purpose. Now we'll be talking about the different kind of coins. We'll be talking about how you should avoid this kind of how you should avoid being scammed of this kind of coins. That's how to avoid this kind of coins. We should talk about how you can recognize this kind of coins. We'll talk about if you for any reason have interest in this kind of coins, what you have to look out for and how you have to look out for them. Maybe for a school project and so on and so forth. So I need your attention on this. Now we have the first type of coins. We call them the type 1 coins, the type 1 coins or the tier 1 coins. Yeah. So these coins are the normal day-to-day big coins we know about, like the normal top coins we know about, top coins, top tokens we know about, the BTC, ETH, Ethereum, BNB, the stable coins, the stable USDT. All USDTs are stables. All USDT are stable. There's the stable coins, USDT, and so on and so forth. And the very first thing you should know about these coins is that they are not cheap. When you are looking for them as flash coins, they are not cheap. So you might meet someone that say, I have this coin for so amount, for maybe, let's say, for instance. So you meet someone that tell you I have this coin for a low amount. You believe them and you send it, and before you know, you can't find the person again, because not just anybody can have access to these coins. They are not cheap. First thing you should know. These coins can go from one platform to the other. What do I mean? It can go from Bybit to Binance. These coins can go from Trust Wallet to Binance. They can go from crypto.com to other kind of wallets. So from decentralized to centralized wallets, you can see this coin flying from one place to the other. They are not cheap. Also, we should know that they can cost up from 10k and above, as you can see on the screen. Now, these coins act as real coins. It is very difficult for you to identify them that this is a fake coin, and you are sure of it. Only experts would actually be able to identify these kind of coins, because they were built on networks that this kind of coin shouldn't exist on. So these coins are really what will I call it? Is it grade 1 of the original? I'll call it. Yeah, I can call it grade 1 of the original. Now, while you are looking out for this coin, what you should think about is you are trying to get a Louis Vuitton, but it's not the original you're trying to get. You're trying to get a grade A of a Louis Vuitton. Number one, you will see it for cheap. Number two, when you finally see the grade A Louis Vuitton, if you are not really into Louis Vuitton like that, or you have not really gone to a fashion school or so on and so forth, or you're not really into this thing, you might not be able to recognize that this is a fake Louis Vuitton. You see it on someone, they are rocking it, you praising the person. That's the characteristics of this coin. You can't know that this coin is actually fake. It will be in your wallet. You will just know that you might not be able to even swap it, so on and so forth. It will be in your wallet. You might be able to even swap it. You might be able to even use it to get a loan on the centralized app you are using. For instance, Bybit. You have 50,000 of this kind of coin, $50,000 of this kind of coin. Now, if on the normal you can use $50,000 balance to get a loan of maybe $1,000, you can use it to apply, and it might go through. So these coins are really identical to the original. Now let's go to the type 2 kind of coins. These are the other kind of coins we use as in our daily activities, but they are not BTC, they are not Bitcoin, USDT, and so on and so forth. These coins are like USDC, BTCB, DAI, BTC Phantom, BCH. Those kind of coins that are popular, but they are not top coins. Let me say it like that. Yeah, so these kind of coins, they also have most of the characteristics I've called. Yeah, some of them, they work on all OX networks. They have the characteristics of what are just of the type 1 coins, but they are not the type 1 coins. What I mean is that they carry the balance on the what's it called, when it is flashed, you can see the balance on the whole your Trust Wallet, your Bybit, and so on and so forth. You can send it from one wallet to the other also. All these ones can cost you up to 3,000. When you get this kind of coin in your wallet, you should also check for, is it if you are able to swap, let me use that word, are you able to swap them? First of all, are you able to swap them? Yeah, first of all, are you able to swap them? This is what you look out for. Because these ones you can't check with their value. They carry v value, they carry v everything. We are going to be seeing sample of everything as this video go on. Now, the type 3 kind of coins. These are coins built for flash purpose. They are built in some wallets for flash purpose. For instance, they might be built on Trust Wallet, and they always go from, when you want to send them, you can be able to flash them from Trust Wallet to Trust Wallet. So when you receive a coin and you don't really understand the coin, and the person is insisting that it's Trust Wallet, there might be an issue there. There might be an issue there, eh? Because some people only use Trust Wallet also for real transactions. Now, so they are built on this what's it called, on this apps for the sole purpose of coin flashing. Most of them are not popular, but they can be built on popular chains or to look like popular coins. When you are using this kind of this thing, it's also a direct flash. There's no need for any settings to transfer. It is direct. You send as you are sending normal Bitcoin from day to day. You send as you are sending your normal coins. Collect the address and send straight up. So you might not be able to find out that there is an issue from the sending because it is direct. Nobody's asking to do any settings. For instance, there was a coin called BTCBL. It looked like BTC, but wasn't BTC. The logo was BTC. The coin stayed for a very long time. They are mostly on decentralized wallets like Trust Wallets, Coinbase Wallets, and so on. Most times, they make it to centralized wallets like Bybit and Binance. Yeah, but they don't stay long on these places. Yeah, they don't stay long on. I feel like it's centralized. They have a whole team behind it. I know these other wallets also have a whole team behind, but I just feel like for some reasons, yeah, they're able to notice it immediately and they bring it down on this. So these coins are affordable from $100 and above, but you can't use this budget to look for the type 1 coins. You can't use this budget to look for the type 3 kind of coins too. Yeah, so let's go to type 4. These coins don't show dollar value at all. It's just there. They don't show dollar value. They have words in numbers, a large amount of words in numbers, but not in dollar value. I want to say one more thing for the type 3 kind of coins. Some of these coins, some of the type 3 kind of coins, I'll put it in type 3. Now, there's another type of type 3 kind of coins. Let's say type 3A. Eh? Now, you have to import a wallet. You have to import a contract address for them. Import a contract address, then manipulate the balance, electric swapping, and so on and so forth. Then you send out. So you are also sending out someone, and that person needs a contract address too. Yeah, so I'll put it on the type 3, or I'll just put it on another kind of coin that you need to know about. So let's go back to the type 4 kind of coins. We will discuss this after this the type 4. Now, they don't show any. They are also used to flash. They are also used as flash coins. Some are just coins that popped up for a while, and maybe the project, the people that made project just left it. So people go there, swap, and use it as flash coins. Some were made for the purpose, specifically for this purpose. Now we have coins like, we have some other coins also. Yeah, the coins I wanted to talk about on type 3. Now, these coins, you go, even I think we see a BTCBL or like this right now. You go to their contract address. You search for a contract address online. Please don't let anybody scam you to buy a contract address. You search for contract address online. Once you know the coin, search for the contract address online. Paste it on your wallet, manipulate balance, and send. Now, how do you know that you are being scammed with this kind of coins? The contract address anybody asks you to put, contract addresses are not bad. But any contract address anybody asks you to put, please search on that contract address on Google. Search for the credibility of that contract address. It's always there. It is pure. It is open. It is always there. Now, those are another kind of coins. let's call this one the contract address kind of coins. Yeah, you need a contract address for them to be able to manipulate their balance. So be careful when you are asked for a contract address. That's on one side. Now on another side, there is a kind of coin that is I won't classify among this one. So now I've seen, even apart from this four type, I've seen a contract address type. We have also talked about now this kind of coins. Now this kind of coins is they are manipulated in one particular kind of balance or one particular wallet. For instance, I don't want to use the word hacker. Someone might look for a way to manipulate. Someone might look for a way to manipulate USDT on Trust Wallet. Just follow me. It is possible. So just follow me. Or let's say crypto.com. At least the one I've experienced. Someone might look for a way to manipulate crypto trust USDT or TRC20 on crypto.com. Now that is one of the type 1 kind of coins here. But this coin right now, you can't send it to another wallet. You can't send the Trust Wallet. You can't send it to another wallet. You can only send it to crypto.com. But it is the type 1 kind of coin, BTC, USDT. Look for a way to manipulate it in a certain wallet, and it is sent from that wallet to another. Do you understand? It is not swappable also. So these are the other kind of coins you might also see while on the street of Coin Flash looking for these things. And also these are some kind of coins that you might also be a victim to. So please always be careful of these kind of coins. Now the type 1, we have talked about it. They are not cheap. They are usable, transferable within all kind of wallets. No, I can't no. Transferable within all kind of wallet. The type 2, limited in transferability between wallets, also good coins. The type 3, transferable between some wallets, built to look like Bitcoins. They are affordable. Type 4 can have watts and coins. For instance, 100, 1000 BTC was 0 watts. Let's say type 5 that wants to use what's it called, contract addresses for. Let's say type 6, the last ones I explained about, the ones that you can actually build type 1 coins on, but like USDT coins, but you can only transfer it between that wallet. For instance, crypto.com to crypto.com, Trust Wallet to Trust Wallet. That's also a thing. That's also a very big possibility. So let's go. Be careful, do not be scammed. Number 1, confirm your coin. When receiving a coin, if you can immediately confirm it can be traded, please do trade it. 0 trading value volume. Fake coins also have 0 trading volume, or they cannot be sold or swapped. Most of them. Double check before approving any token. Also, like I said, check with contract addresses. Now, this is the type 1 kind of coins. This is what we are seeing on the screen. You can observe them, screenshots or analyze them very well. Type 2, these are kind of coins on type 2. These coins are not really day-to-day coins, but they are popular. There's a USDT, a very good USDT on it too. BTC, Phantom, DI, USDC, PCH, and so on and so forth. Now, there's the type 3. Like I say, they were built for this purpose. This one, the one on my screen right now, is on Coinbase Wallet. This second one is type 4. The balance, the numbers are high, but look at the balance here, 0. The numbers are high, but look at the balance in dollars, 0. So this video is strictly for educational purpose. Please do not be scammed. Please be careful with how you receive tokens and coins. Always look for a way to confirm. Thank you very much. And you can call me on the number on your screen right now. I won't send you my Telegram or my WhatsApp on the comment section. Now, this is a very important warning. If you are interested in learning more about this kind of coins, please don't come to me with any kind of deal that is outside these classifications I have made. You are looking for something, now it has been classified for you so that you understand what you are looking for. Or you are trying to confirm a coin, now you understand how to confirm these coins. So You can reach out to me on my number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can also call the number on the screen right now. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.